morning, GSS3. How are you today? I hope you enjoyed your last lecture on difference of two squares. We are still going to continue with the topic, but in this case, we want to learn how to factorize what we so-called our answer in the previous class. We want to change it back to the question. Now, let's take a look at this. Remember, I've told you about how to identify difference of two squares. You always have a square in between, on top of them, like this, then a negative sign in between, right? Or you have a value that has square root. Do you understand? So let's take the first one. P square minus Q square. Now, in order to factorize this, what do? Step 1, you open two brackets like this. Step 2, you put a negative sign and a positive sign in the two brackets. You can put positive here, negative here, anyhow. You understand? Then step 3, what is the square root of, you find the square root of P square. Now the square root of P square. What's the square root of P square? That's P times P. You pick 1, which is 1, right? You put 1 here and put the other one here, like this. The square root of Q square is what? Q times Q, right? Which is Q. So you pick 1, you put 1 here, and then you put another one here. That's all. That's the answer. I hope it's clear. Number 2. You have U square minus 16. Step 1, open two brackets like this. Step 2, put your signs, your different signs. Your positive, your negative, like this. Then the next thing, pick each value. The square root of U square. That's what? U times U, which is what? You pick 1. So you place 1 in this bracket and the other one in this bracket. Now the next one, the square root of 16. What will it give you? 4 times 4, right? Which is what? 4. You pick 1. Now you put 1 here, then you put 1 here. This is your final answer. I hope it's clear. I believe with what I've done on the board, you are able to get how to factorize values, expressions that deals with difference of two squares. To solve these questions for me, try them and master the act of solving and identifying questions on difference of two squares. Thank you.